To troubleshoot Uniswap Subgraph, start by understanding what a subgraph is and its role in the Uniswap ecosystem. A subgraph is an open-source project that indexes and organizes data from the Uniswap protocol, making it easily accessible for developers and users. Begin by checking the Uniswap Subgraph status page to see if there are any known issues or maintenance scheduled. If the issue persists, check the subgraph logs for any error messages that may indicate the source of the problem. Next, verify that your query is correctly formatted and valid. Check the subgraph schema to ensure you are using the correct fields and types. Use the GraphQL interface to test your query and see if it returns the expected results. If you are still having trouble, try checking the subgraph version to ensure you are using the latest version. You can do this by checking the subgraph repository on GitHub. Another common issue is with the Ethereum node connection. Verify that your Ethereum node is correctly configured and connected to the subgraph. Best practice is to monitor the subgraph performance and adjust your queries accordingly. Use tools like the Graph Explorer to monitor query performance and adjust your queries to optimize results. Common issues with Uniswap Subgraph include incorrect query formatting, outdated subgraph version, and Ethereum node connection issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve issues with the Uniswap Subgraph. To avoid issues in the future, make sure to stay up to date with the latest subgraph version and monitor performance regularly. By doing so, you can ensure a smooth and seamless experience when working with the Uniswap Subgraph. In conclusion, troubleshooting the Uniswap Subgraph requires a step-by-step approach, starting with checking the status page and logs, then verifying query formatting and subgraph version. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve issues with the Uniswap Subgraph and ensure a smooth experience for your users.